17-13 in the first set. Philippine Navy still by a stroke ahead of the Water Dragons dito sa ating unang set. Subalit, mainit ang pinapakita dito ng Water Dragons sa nagtatangkang agawin ang kalamangan bago dumating ang ating second technical timeout.
And that's because Navy has now 10 attack points at ang Maynilad only 5, pero it's their defense that is really working
Lalo
for them. Yes, exactly. And Laborde now 3 dig points, Maynilad 4. Simple, yung dig points sa kabila, 3 na, kay Laborde lang lahat.
And Prochina making the same infraction. Couldn't get that ball across. The two blockers, parang nawala yung vision dito ni Rosemary Prochina. 16-14. Maynila naghahabol ng 2 puntos. Laborde with that dig. Prochina, tinulak na lamang yung bola. Concheta going to Guliman. Gandang sagot ni Serafica.
Cruzada.
The right idea. Cross-court hit. Too long. Errors hurting Navy here in the first.
That's right. And Maynila just there, knocking on their door.
Nag-iba na rin at umayos na rin ang laro nitong Maynilad, no? Hindi na sila shaky. They are trying their best to gel as quickly as possible before the quarterfinals sets in.
Zane Roses using the blocker.
17-15, 2-point cushion. Yung cushion na yan ay napipit-pit at lumiliit dahil patuloy na nagdadagdag ng pressure dito ang Maynilad kontra Philippine Navy.
Nice floater from Prochina. But Guliman on that hit. Ay no, nakita mo, hinanap lang niya kung saan maganda ilagay ang bola. Doesn't have to be really powerful.
Kapag nanonood ka ng badminton, mostly ganun din no?
Yes.
Hindi puro patay.
Tsaka kasi sa badminton, lalo na pag singles, yung setup mo, sarili mo. So you really have to think ahead.
Always ahead. Step ahead. Kasi kung puro patay ang hanapin mo, hindi ka rin tactical talaga. Pero ito, pinapagod ng Maynilad ang Lady Sailors. Tabla na tayo, 17 apiece per set.
Sobrang gigil! Nagilak kayo. Katawan nyo na ganito, dito katalhin yung bola, ganyan. Simple play lang. Maganda naman yung lupin namin. Ha? No, discard yung baba. Ganito lang pa.
Ilang paalala galing kay Coach, playing coach, Nene Ibanez. Laging kalmado yan, pero pag mamaya siya inainip, tatayo na rin yan.
Yan yung sabi ko nga, no, during her heydays, napakagaling na player.
Ang tangkad at mukhang malakas.
Parang si Mama Te yan, parang Telma Barina, kung humataw.
Mga national players.
Napakahusay. Long-time member of the national team.
Yan, todo duelo. Sabi ni Cecil Cruzada, abante ulit sila ng isa, 18-17. Let's see how they will be able to deal with the challenge of the young Turks of the Water Dragons.
Well, speaking of the Water Dragons, 3 block points for them so far, and only 1 for the Navy. Kaya nga yung defense talaga nila is working great for them. As Randy, this time, sabi niya, meron din naman opensa Mozzie.
Mahusay talaga yan.
Cross-court hit, scores 1.
Yan ang pangunahing attacker when she used to play for the National U Bulldogs at ngayon ay nasa Maynilad na. 18 all for set. Cruzada over 2 blockers. Ancheta. Serafica doing the same thing and she scores.
And that was a power tip coming from Serafica. Cruzada, 3 attack points. Maggie on the other side with 2.
Marahil sa errors nagkaka-problema rito ang Philippine Navy. Dahilan upang makadikit ang Maynilad Water Dragons. Cruzada serving. Ancheta going to Cases.
Sa hirap ng pwesto ng set na yun, si Cases lang ang pwedeng makapalo. But this time, Navy winning that block.
Alam mo, maganda rin yung save doon ni Galido. It's the libero of Philippine Navy and they go 2 steps ahead at 2018.
Kailangan isang magandang receive lang. Yung play, wala kasi nasayang ito. Umitaw lang naman yung sabi parang kulang din sa, pag gusto doon sa binibigyan na play ng siyang, kulang din yung first ball. Ibahin lang natin yung first ball, wala ang problema.
Coach BJ Sacramento calling a timeout after his team gave up 2 quick points to the Lady Sailors.
Ayaw niya ng mag-pull away dito ang Navy muna.
Isang pass na lang kasi ito, tapos na ang first set.
Kapit lang hanggang dulo. Matira patibay.
Yun talaga ang pwede mong gawin against the top teams, eh, no? Kapitan mo.
True.
At pungusan mo pagdating sa dulo. A floater, nice serve. For Cruzada, Serafe once again. Bonsai Mirasol for the Dragons. Ortates.
Both teams trying to outsmart each other.
Ayan. Hindi na outsmarting yan.
Power na yan. And Mikmik Labor. Ang hirap naman, Mikmik Labor and Nene Bautista. Yet that tandem.
Ano ba yan? 6-footer at 5'11"?
4 or less. And then,
Pero mabigat yan yung experience combined.
yun sana yung sasabihin ko sa'yo. Tsaka itong dalawang to tandem talaga pati sa beach volleyball.
Naman. At yung paglalaro ng beach volleyball para sa mga atletang to, nakakatulong sa kanila yan, dexterity-wise, keeping themselves in shape.
But Joy, kasi sasabihin ko pa ngayon, jumping ability and jumping abilities. That was the premier talent of this, primary talent of this Joy Cases.
So graceful. And the way she takes off talaga, kita mo, gifted. She does not just rely on power, pero meron na rin siyang placement doon sa kanyang.
So pag ganyan ka kataas tumalon, ang dami mo pwedeng gawin.
Push shot coming from Laborte. Saved by Aison.
Too much in a hurry was Mikmik Laborte. So now again, just a point down is
Aison made her presence felt.
That's true. Water Dragon. Ancheta.
Serafica with the combination play.
It was well read by the Water Dragons. Alam nila na kinene mapupunta ang bola, and yet talagang very powerful hit coming from Nene Bautista.
Kapatong sa bola, no? Hindi off timing, talagang maganda preparasyon, but they need at least 2 more points to take the life out of the challenge of the Water Dragons. Serafica serving. Ancheta with the back set. Push shot coming from Casas. Nobody rotating for the dig. Delikado pa rin ang kalagayan. Bonsai Mirasol back on the service area. Nika Gulaman likewise. Nika Guliman likewise making her re-entry.
Yes. And eto na naman. Let's see. Foiled attempt on the part of the Navy.
Sinasabi natin kayo ng mga errors nakakasakit dito.
Eto na tayo, yung kapit. Kapit na kapit.
Yes, sir.
Sige mo ka naman, diretso. Ano ba? Aggressive sa bola, sa pagkuha sa bola. Hindi natin patayin sa court natin, patayin natin sa kabila. Error natin yan, no? Kaya sila nagpuntos, oh.
So, dito kailangan patayin nyo para advantage kayo. Sige.
Striker, focus sa palo. Yung receiver, focus sa receive. Isa, focus sa court. Receive mo na. Wala siya may set pag walang receive. Go!
And suddenly, the first set is tight. A lot of twos on that scoreboard, 22-22. And a chance for Maynilad as Bonsai Mirasol kisses that Mikasa MVA 300 for good luck.
But an error on the serve.
Okay lang, sabi ni Coach.
Okay
sabay
lang.
tapik.
Sige.
Sit down first. Pasok si Aison to play defense. Mikmik Laborte with that jump serve. Ortates once.
Another error. Back-to-back errors from Maynilad.
Those are unforced errors. Laban dito sa Maynila. And Coach Sacramento calling another timeout.
Medyo matibay-tibay eh. Bakit masasabi yung overball na gano'n? Diba? Sama yung tension, pero alam kasi matibay naman kasi yung depensa natin sa harap. Diba? Kailangan mo concentrate na. Diba? Importante maging clear kasi wala. Just hindi na magkaroon ng error ng kabila. Sayang eh. Oh, one good receive lang ulit. Ano na din isang pilitin. Kasi pag natin pipilitin yun, wala. Happy tayo lang sa'yo. Happy tayo.
Susubukan ni Coach BJ Sacramento na itulak ang kanyang tropa na makabalik dito. One good receive. Another point to put pressure on Philippine Navy who has one set point here in the first. Nick Laborte trying to finish off the Water Dragons. Cases, Ancheta.
Running strike!
Violation.
So it was really the errors of Maynila that cost them this set.
But what a way for Maynila to compete against the highly favored team of the Philippine Navy. But itong si Nick Laborte, naging fixture na rin sa service line na yon.
Shaky and play of this set.
Ganda naman ng buwelo, subalit.
Oh, sayang. Buliman on that running hit.
And that will be all she wrote for the first set, 25-22 in favor of Philippine Navy.